the dumbest reason someone thought you were flirting with them? Apparently, lending someone a charger is the universal symbol for I want to bear your children. This happened in university. First semester, 9 a.m. class. I sit down trying not to die. Hoodie up, caffeine in hand, fully radiating do not interact energy. Then this guy next to me leans over, taps my desk, and says, "Hey, your phone charger. Is that for iPhone?" I nod. He goes, "Can I borrow it for like 10 minutes?" I'm like, "Sure, whatever. It's a charger, not a marriage license." He smiles. A little too long. Says, "Thanks. That's actually really kind. Brother, it's a cord. You're not in my will." I forget it instantly, but he did not. Next class, he sits next to me again. This time he's got snacks. Offers me half a granola bar like we're splitting rations in a zombie apocalypse. Then he goes, "It's so rare to meet someone as kind as you. You didn't hesitate to help me." Help you? I gave you 6% battery. That's barely enough to open Discord. Anyway, it spirals. He starts showing up wherever I go. "Oh hey, didn't know you came to this coffee shop. I come here every day. I've never seen him here." He even starts mirroring me. I wear a blue hoodie. He wears a blue hoodie. I get oat milk. Suddenly he's lactose intolerant too. Then the moment that killed me, he DMs me. Just a picture of my charger. With the caption, "This reminded me of you. I'm sorry. What about this $4 cable from Walmart is me?" I hit him with the LOL. He replies, "You always knew how to give. That's rare. I want you to give me something else." So I finally confront him. I'm like, "Hey, I was just being nice. That doesn't mean I was flirting." And he, with full confidence, but goes, "Nice is flirting. Especially when it's you. If you didn't want me, you wouldn't give me your charger." Sir, that is Delulu behavior. It gets worse. I block him. A week later, my friend says, "Hey, is that the guy you lent your charger to?" I look. He's sitting 2 tables away in the library, using the exact same charger, same frayed cord, same off-brand plug, and next to him, a different girl. I'm like, "Already moved on?" My friend squints and goes, "Wait, is she holding?" "Yep, she's holding the same charger." I zoom in. It's literally got my initials on the plug. He never gave it back. This man straight up used our fake romance to build a charger-based harem. I text him like, "Hey, that's my charger." He replies, "Yeah, I've moved on. You taught me I need to give more. So now I walk around looking for lone girls who need a charger. I will always love you." What? Is this a breakup? Did I just get broken up with by a stalker who I wasn't even in a relationship with? So yeah, now I carry 3 chargers. 1 to use, 1 to lend, and 1 just in case I accidentally start a situationship. The last I heard, he got electrocuted.